Hello everyone. Today let's study the method of measuring angles. After this module, you will be able to understand measuring of angles by using a protractor. Here you can see a protractor. Here so many numbers are marked 0 to 180, from 0 to 180. Now, let's study how to measure angles using a protractor. The unit of measurement is in degrees. We have to mark 70 degree, 80 degree, etc. Here you can see a 180 degree protractor. This is a model of a semicircle. You can see here a line. This line is called baseline. This line is called baseline. According to this baseline, we have to measure different angles. Here you can see a yellow spot, that is that two lines intersect at that point. This point is called crosshairs. Crosshair is a point where two lines cross. Two lines cross itself. Next you can see two sets of numbers here. 0 to 180, two sets are here. This is outside numbers 0 to 10, 20, 30, etc. It ends at 180. And inside numbers are also the same 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, etc. up to 180. When measuring angles, it is very important to know which numbers to use. Sometimes we use inside numbers. In some cases, we use outside numbers. Now, how to measure different angles? Let's see. First, find the baseline of the angle. Here is the baseline. You can see an angle like this. The bottom of the line is baseline. So, when we measure the angle by using a protractor, take the protractor first, then move like this. Put the crosshairs of the protractor onto the angle as accurately as possible. Move the protractor like this. Then put the crosshair of the protractor at the vertex of the angle. Vertex of the angle. Here you can see the vertex and crosshair are at the same point. Then the baseline is resting on the 0 of the inside number. So use them. The baseline is diverts to right side. So we start from right of the protractor 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. Here start from 0, 10. Always you start from 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. And here the angle is, the line is resting on the 40 degree. Here you can see a yellow point. Then the angle is 40 degree. This is the method of measuring angles. Next, another one. Here is another angle. Baseline you can see. Then move the protractor like this. Crosshair and vertex on the same line. Then count from 0. Always you start from 0. Not 180, 170, 160. You can see that numbers also. 180, 170, 160. You don't use it. You start from 10, 20, 30, 40. Here you can see the next line is at 70 degree. Here we use again inside numbers. So the angle is 70 degree. Another one, baseline here. We take our protractor and move like this. Crosshair and vertex are at the same point. Now start from 10, 20, 30 up to 90 degree. You know this is a right angle. Next, another a bigger angle. Baseline is from on to right side of the angle. Start from here, move like this. You can see 10, 20, 30, 40, 60, 70, 80, 100, 110, 120. Dear children, above 120 you can see the angle 60 degree. You don't write like 60 degree. You write 120 degree. Starting from 10, 20, 30, 40, the angle is 120 degree. Next, the angle is facing to the left this time. Next questions are like this. Left side of the angle. Then how we will measure the angles? Move the protractor like this. Put the crosshair and vertex at the same point. Then start from 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. The baseline to the left side of the protractor. So we count from left side. So we use outside numbers here. Outside numbers, make sure the baseline of the protractor is over the baseline of the angle. Here you can see the angle is how many degree? 60 degree. Angle is 60 degree. Another one like this. Take the protractor like this. Then start from 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. This angle is between 40 and 50. Between 40 and 50, you can see a small line that is 5 degree. So, the vertex here, you can see the vertex, the angle is 45 degree, correct? 45 degree. Another so many angles we have to measure here. First, we use the first angle. This is two ways for measuring this type of angles. The first way is like this, baseline on the protractor 0, 0 line, 10, 20, 30, 60 degree is, we have to mark here 60 degree, the angle is 60 degree. Another angle, we use the protractor like this, correct 90 degree. We can see the correct 90 degree is the measure of the second angle. Here you can see a yellow point at 90 degree. The angle is 90 degree. This is one way. Then another way, same angle, we have to put the protractor like this also. No problem. Here also we have to get the answer 60 degree, 10, 20. We have to change the position of the protractor but use 0. Always you start from 0. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So the angle is 60 degree. Same angle. The second way of measuring the another angle is put the protractor like this. Then start from 0, 90 degree. Correct? 90 degree. You can see here. The measurement of angle is 90 degree. One more angle we have to measure here. This angle, arrow mark, you listen how we put this protractor. Baseline 0, 10, 20. Count from 10, 20, 30 and you identify in which point our arrow lies. Clearly we have to see at 120 degree the arrow lies. At 120 degree, so the angle is 120 degree. Our first question is find the measure of the angle shown in each figure. Here you have given 3 angles. First estimate with your eyes. First you guess the measurement and then find the actual measure with a protractor. Then by using a protractor, we have to identify the correct measurement. Here you can see 3 figures. You just understand. You just guess how many degrees are these. Question A, question B, question C. You just identify. You just guess the measurement here. Then one by one we can measure by using a protractor. First question A. We take our protractor and put like this. Crosshair and vertex, then count 10, 20, 30, 40. What is the measurement here? 40 degree. Your guess right. Next question B. B question, here is an angle. Then take our protractor and put like this, crosshair and vertex at the same point. Then right side, from right side you count 10, 20 up to 130 degree. Here is the angle 130 degree. And the last question, C question, you take the protractor and put like this, crosshair and vertex at the same. Then from right side 10, 20, 30, 40 up to 70 degree. So the angle is 70 degree. Okay. Next question, measure and classify each angles. Here you can see 5 points on a figure, point A, O, B, C, D, and a table near it, angles AOB, angles AOC, etc. Measure and type. So first we measure each angle by using our protractor. Then type, the column type. Type means which angle is this. That is acute, obtuse, reflex, straight, right, etc. So first you listen very carefully. Angle AOB. Only at the point AOB. Take your protractor and measure angle AOB. AOB. Only listen AOB. Then starting from A. 10, 20, 30, 40. What is the measure of angle AOB? 40 degree. We get 40 degree. And type, which angle is 40 degree? We know acute angle. Okay. Angle AOC. AOC, by using the same position, AOC, you listen, AOC, where is at the point C lies? Between 120 and 130, that is 125. 125 we know obtuse angle. Then angle BOC. BOC. Next we measure angle BOC. The two angles we already measured. BOC you can see very clearly, angle BOC. Put the protractor like this. BOC, what is the measure of BOC? Starting from B, 10, 20, 30 up to 80. 80 degree you can see here, acute angle. Then DOC, by using the same position of protractor, DOC. D. Starting from D, we use outside numbers 10, 20, 30 up to 100 degree. 100 degree. Which angle? Obtuse angle. Next angle DOA. DOA. DOA you can see here very clearly, angle DOA. Then put our protractor and like this, DOA, starting from D and A. DOA, inside numbers 10, 20 up to 140 degree. 140 degree. How many angle? 140 degree. Which angle? Obtuse angle. Then DOA. DOB. DOB is a straight line. Clearly we can see from here, DOB is a straight line. DOB is a straight angle. So the measurement is 180 degree. Its name is straight. Okay, straight angle. So that's all for today. So we understood the method of measuring angles by using a protractor. You can see a follow-up activity here. The question is, who discovered protractor? We study the method of measuring angles by using a protractor. So our follow-up activity of today is, who discovered protractor? Okay, thank you all.